Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, President of the Republic of Malawi, in exercise of the powers conferred upon him under Section 94, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi, has constituted the cabinet list as follows. Minister of State, Honorable Alfred Rwani Gangata. Minister of Finance, Economic Planning and Decentralization, Honorable Joseph Mwanamvega, MP. Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development, Honorable Rosa Mbilizafachi, MP. Minister of Education, Science and Technology, Honorable Bright Nsaka, AC. Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Honorable Charles Mhango. Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Honorable George T. Chabonda, MP. Minister of Health and Sanitation, Honorable Madalito Waloi, MP. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, Honorable Ben Malunga, Piri, MP. Minister of Industrialization, Business, Trade and Tourism, Honorable George Partridge. Minister of Transport and Public Works, Honorable Feston Kauba, MP. Minister of Homeland Security, Honorable Peter Mukhito. Minister of Gender, Children, Disability and Social Welfare, Honorable Mary Navicha, MP. Minister of Natural Resources, Energy and Mining, Honorable Jean Matanga, MP. Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Honorable Jape Mhango, MP. Minister of Labor Skills and Innovation, Honorable Joel Chigona, MP. Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture, Honorable Patricia Wiskis, MP. Minister of Information and Communication Technology, Honorable Shadrack Namalomba, MP. Deputy Minister of Health and Sanitation, Honorable Chimwemwe Jibungu, MP. Deputy Minister of Homeland Security, Honorable Norman Chisale, MP. Deputy Minister of Gender, Children, Disability and Social Welfare, Honorable Martha Ngwila, MP. Deputy Minister of Education, Science and Technology, Honorable Francis Foley, MP. The appointments are with immediate effect.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.